On the next page, 33 page, avadheyam, to be learnt. Savadhanam pathata avagacchata cha. Vayam आचार्यः शूरः घोषः कविः गुरुः पिता एतादृशान् पुंलिङ्गशब्दान् कृपा सेना चिन्ता मतिः नारी माता इत्येतादृशान् स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दान् बलं वचनं वाक्यं वारि इत्येतादृशान् नपुंसकलिङ्गशब्दान् च ज्ञातवन्तः। अस्मिन् पाठे तेषां शब्दानां वर्णक्रमाणां परिचयं प्राप्नुमः। In this lesson, we have studied Acharyah, Shurah, Ghoshah, etc. Pumlinga Shabdah, which are masculine in gender. Krupa, Sena, Chinta, Matihi, Nari, Mata, etc. Strilinga Shabdan, feminine gender words, Balam, Vachanam, Vakyam, Vari, Ityetadrishan, etc. Napumsakalinga, neutral gender words, Jnatavantaha, we came to know. Asmin Pathe, Tesham Shabdanam, in this lesson, of these words, Varnakramanam Parichayam Prapnumaha. The sequence of the letters of these words we will get introduced to. Acharyaha iti shabdasya varnakramaha evam asti. In the word Acharya, what are all the letters that you are seeing? A plus Chakara plus Akara plus Rakara plus Yakara plus Akara plus Visargaha. These are the sequence of the letters in the word Acharya. Like that, in the table given below, you see Guruhu. What are all the letters available in this? Gakaraha, Ukaraha, Rikaraha, Ukaraha, Visargaha. Pita. In this word, Pakaraha, Ikaraha, Takaraha, Akaraha. Sena, Sakaraha, Yekaraha, Nakaraha, Akaraha. Vayam, Vakaraha, Akaraha, Yakaraha, Akaraha, Makaraha. Vachanam, Vakaraha, Akaraha, Chakaraha, Akaraha, Nakaraha, Akaraha, Makaraha. Sarirani, Shakaraha, Akaraha, Rakaraha, Ikaraha, Rakaraha, Akaraha, Nakaraha, Ikaraha. For Rakara we can call as Refam also. Refam. Acharyaha iti pradhama vibhaktehe ekavachana rupam. Shabdasya moolam tu Acharya iti pratipadikam. Acharyaha, it is the word in pradhama vibhakti ekavachanam, but its root word is Acharya. When Visarga is added in Pumlinga, it becomes Pradhama Vibhakti Acharyaha. That Moola Rupam, the root word Acharya, is called Pratipadikam for proper nouns or nouns. In Sanskrit, the root of the word is called Pratipadikam for nouns, and for verbs, the root word is called Dhatu. Here we are talking about the nouns. That's why Acharya is called Pratipadikam. Evameva Guruhu iti Pradhama Vibhaktehe Ekavachana Rupam. Guruhu. In that, Guru is the Pratipadikam. Guruhu is Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Here at the bottom you see another table. Agre likitanam shabdanam Pratipadikam Pradhama Vibhaktehi Ekavachana Rupancha Savadhanataya Parisilayata. Examine carefully. Here the words are given under Pratipadikam heading. It's Pratipadikam given. Its Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam is given in the next row. Purusha is Pratipadikam. Its Pradhama Vibhakti Rupam is Purushaha. Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Purushaha. Pitru is Pratipadikam. Pita is Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ari is Pratipadikam. Arihi Ikaranta Pumlinga Shabdam. Arihi is Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Priti, it is Pratipadikam. Pritihi Ikaranta Strilinga Rupam Asti Etat. It is called Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. Maya, Maya, Pratipadikam. Maya, Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam Strilingaha asti. Yesha Strilingaha. Rajya, Pratipadikam Rajyam Napumsakalingam asti. Ekavachanam Pradhama Vibhakti. Bala is Pratipadikam. Balam is Napumsakalingam. Napumsalingaha Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam asti. Pratipadikasya ante yaha varnaha asti shabdaha tadantaha bhavati. Now on the above, in the above table, Purusha, Pitru, Ari, what are the end letters that you are seeing? Purusha, A is there. So it is Akaranta Pumlinga Shabdaha Purushaha. Pitru, here you find Rikarantam. Rikaranta Pumlinga Shabdaha Pita. Ari, here Arihi is Pradhama Vibhakti. Ikaranta Pumlingaha. Priti, Pritihi. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Maya, Maya. Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Rajyam. Akaranta Rajya. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdam. In Balam, Bala is Pratipadikam. Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdam. Like that, at the end, whatever letter you find, that Antam it will be called for the Shabdam. Antima Varnaha A asti ataha Keshava Shabdasya Akarantaha iti Jayate. Kavi, in Kavi, end letter is E. Therefore it is Ikarantaha. Maya, the end word is A. Therefore Akarantaha. Nari, the end letter is E. Therefore it is Ikaranta Shabdaha. Pitru, the end letter is Ru. Rukarantaha. Pitru Shabdaha. Next, अभ्यासम् एतेषां प्रातिपदिकानां वर्णक्रमं लिखित्वा अन्तनिर्णयं कुरुता. For example, Kripa, he has given you kakaraha, rikaraha, pakaraha, akaraha. Last letter is a, therefore it is akarantaha. Like that, in the following words, you separate them letter by letter and denote at the end its antam. This is for your exercise. एतेषु सर्वेषु शब्देषु अंतिमः वर्णः स्वरः. So in this all words, the last letter is swaraha, that is vowel. The vowels are, a, I, u, ru, e, I, o, au. Swaraksharanam ach iti nama. All these vowels, they are also called as ach. अतः एते सर्वे शब्दाः अजन्ताः. Because the ach, that is vowel, is in the end. Ante santi. Ach ante asti. Ach ante yasya saha ajantaha. The word for which ach, that is vowel, is at the end, that is called ajantaha. Ach ante yasya asti saha ajantaha.